If you see the recipe, you say, this is not a Hollandaise. I know. Hi, I'm Alex Atala from São Paulo, Brazil, Restaurant Dom, and now I show you how we do the Tucupi Hollandaise. So we start this recipe. First of all, it's a very classical French base, but there's a trick. We use Tucupi. Tucupi is the fermented milk of manioc, the same way that indigenous people have been doing for centuries in Amazonas. We start the recipe, we bake it an entire egg at 70 degrees for 22 minutes. We open carefully the egg inside of the water. After this combination of time and temperature, what we have is a very particular texture of the egg yolk. And then we slice onions, very large slices. We took off the concentrate juice of beetroot. We put the beetroot juice in a tray, very fresh onions, and this is important. We covered with aluminum foil and we bake it for 40 minutes at 106 degrees. This precision of temperature and freshness gives to us a very unique texture from the onions. That means it's still crunchy, but it's not hard. It's very sweet, mellow, gelatinous texture. After 40 minutes, we put the onion in the center of the dish. We take the egg yolk, we put some golden powder, black pepper, and salt. And then we put over the egg yolk. The asparagus, we just clean and blanch. To do the beurre blanc, what we do is we lightly cook in a low heat butter, onion, Brazilian sweet chili, and cilantro. We just carefully steam everything. And then we add tucupi. And we left cooking, but never boil again. Once it's warm, we pass in the chinois and we add butter, a pinch of Santana gum, and hand mixture, and we give the texture. A final touch, we add same amount of noisette butter to give more intensity. Coriander leaves, and finally chopped sweet chili, Brazilian sweet chili. And to add a bit of emotion, a bit of texture, we made the puffed manioc. So we just mix manioc flour, salt, water, and work like a pasta. So after a while, as long as manioc has a very long starch, when you deep fry, the pasta puff and turns a kind of pillow, and we love it. And the main idea is put the dish in front of the guests, and we encourage the guests to squeeze. And the texture is very ephemeral. So looks like something hard, but when you go, pluff. So there is one extra emotion in the dish. And then when you eat, the combination of the texture of the egg yolk, the ingredients, and the sauce, the funny thing is eating everything together and said, wow, in the end, it tastes like a Hollandaise with the different layers of flavor. Everybody has a mental image about Amazonas. Nobody knows the flavor, so please taste the dish and go with me to Amazonas.